This recipe was originally created by Stephen Ranella from The Meat Eater. I made some adjustments to the recipe to better suit my family's palate. Start by dicing a large yellow onion. Add 2 skinless honeycrisp apples. Sauté the onions and add the apples. Slice some uncured bacon. And dice a turkey breast into 1-inch cubes. Grind the 2 ingredients together. Add the onions, apples, and the seasonings. Full ingredient list will be in this video's description. Hand mix and send through the grinder one more time. You can hand form patties or use a meat extruder like this to form sausage links. The hyperlink to this style of extruder will be in the description below. Throw the links in the freezer overnight. Bagging the sausage like this in individual links will allow you to grab and go anytime. For cooking, I prefer to preheat a cast iron skillet in a 400° Fahrenheit oven. I then add a good amount of bacon grease to the skillet. If you're not saving your bacon grease, you're really missing out. Turkey is a lean meat and wild turkey is even leaner. Trust me, you can't overdo the grease with this recipe. Throw the links in the oven for 8 minutes. Flip and baste the links and put them back in the oven for another 8 minutes. I paired these sausage links with some Green Acre scrambled eggs and Green Acre raspberry jam covered toast.
Is it good? It's tasty? Yeah.